it is for him to get organized if he's going to succeed in life. And I have no doubt that this kid is going to succeed. But right now, his space is so cluttered that his path to success is literally blocked. Getting organized will get him closer to his goals. Exactly. You've got dog hair, you've got dust. This is clearly not working, and now it's costing you more time because you have to have that cleaned.
Yeah.
Greg is a budding entrepreneur, but right now, his time and space are out of control. What's your challenge here?
Time. I don't have time to time to clean this, yeah.
He knows that in order to be truly successful, he has to get organized. I'm going to teach him the basics.
Hello. I'm very frustrated when I'm in the office. It's a big mess. It's tough to do anything there. I don't know. I can't do anything in there. It's just, it's non-functional, so.
The problem with this room is that it doesn't have a purpose. So what I want to do, first of all, is tackle all of this clutter in the middle of the room. Then the couches, one of them is broken, the other one is not being used. Out they go. The desk is too small for the space and is not functional. And these speakers, yikes, they gotta go. I'm going to bring in a desk with a larger work surface, a couch that better fits the space, a television set, and I'm going to bring in the filing cabinet that was in Greg's bedroom. Now, this is an office made for success.
Hey.
Good morning, Greg. How are you doing?
How you doing?
Good. I brought the whole clutter crew, everybody. This is Greg.
Good.
Here's the plan for today. First, we're going to go into the office, and we're going to make some decisions on what stays, what goes, label the furniture, out it comes. I got it. Because the office is a catch-all for unwanted items, we can make decisions quickly and see results fast. I just want to show you what this room looks like right now. It's looking better already, isn't it?
In here.
Okay, and this room didn't seem to have a specific purpose, and I think that was part of the problem. It just became a place where you dump stuff if you don't know where else to put it.
Yeah.
So I want to give this room a purpose so it never ends up being a dumping ground again. So Greg, if you want to get started with the computer, I'm going to get the clutter crew to come in and help us empty out that closet. Turning this room into Greg's office will give it purpose. Now Greg will have headquarters for developing his business. There we go. What I need you guys to do now is sort like with like, and Deb's gonna hang out here and help you guys out. So I'm gonna go help Greg. So we're gonna deal with the bedroom, and I can see that clothing is a real issue here. So tell me, what happens first? Your clean clothes arrive in the bedroom, and then where do you put them?
They usually end up in a basket like this.
Or have you folded them elsewhere?
No, I don't fold them. My mom does.
Now, I'm curious, why wouldn't you put them away in the drawers?
I don't usually have time to put everything away.
So why don't we take all the clothes, put them on the bed, and start sorting through?
That's a keeper.
All right.
You give that away? It's garbage.
Greg thinks he's saving time by storing everything on the floor. But how can he tell the difference between what's clean, dirty, and unwanted? Do you see what's happening?
Yeah, I get dog hair, exactly.
You've got dog hair, you've got dust. This is clearly not working, and now it's costing you more time because you have to have that cleaned.
Yeah.
What does it say about you when you wear a shirt like this? You know what I do when I see this, right? Yeah. I go, wow, that's a big hole. Whoops! How did that happen? Bye-bye. All right, you're doing great, actually. Look at the giveaway.
There we go.
Clutter crew, need a hand, please? Now that most of the clothes have been sorted, Greg needs some solutions for storing them. Now, I'm kind of curious why they're up here. Is there a specific purpose to
No, it's just a dress shirt. I didn't have anywhere else to hang it. I didn't want to iron it again, so.
So hanging is easy for you? Quick and easy, get it out of the way, stays off the floor, wrinkle-free?
Exactly.
Okay. Do I have a solution for you? Here's an option, and this one's really easy. It just hangs over the door. There we go. All you need to do when you come home from a late night is fling it on. Go ahead, try it out.
There we go.
Now, why don't we try your valet hook? This goes on the inside of the door. Grab something that's on a hanger. Yeah, like this one. So try that out. Perfect. Okay, so what you want to put there is your outfit for the next day.
Okay.
Hooks are a great solution for dealing with Greg's clothes, but he also needs to learn how to fold them. This is Andy. He's going to show you how to fold a shirt.
Okay, take a shirt like that, grab it here, and you grab it here, and then you reach over, grab like that, pick it up, and do like that.
Okay, let's slow it down. Pinch the shirt at the shoulder and at the middle of the chest. Fold the shirt over, crossing one hand over the other to meet the hem. Pinch the hem and shoulder together. Lift the shirt and uncross your hands. Give it a shake. Lay the shirt down sleeve first, then fold it face up to finish. Voila! Now it's Greg's turn.
So one here, one here.
Yep. Now reach
Back
over.
down.
There you go.
Cross.
Now pull your hands
here.
apart. A little shake. Drop this piece down. Now drop this down here, and then fold that over.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Now that we've dealt with all of Greg's clothes, we're gonna keep on purging. These are trophies?
These are trophies.
What were you doing? Football?
94, yeah.
These are your football trophies? Yeah. This is your helmet or your dad's? Which one is this?
I don't even know. I found it in the house here, so
okay.
I think it's my dad's.
Are you willing to let this phase of your life go?
Yeah.
Are you?
I'll get rid of these.
Really?
Yeah.
This is very symbolic.
Yes.
Not the dust, but the fact that you're willing to let go of that phase of your life. That's so fast. By the door.
By the
Greg says he wants to be successful, and he's got the drive. Right now, he's in transition, so it's a perfect time for him to focus on his future. So where do we go from here? The trophies are gone, the high school days are behind us. What's next for you?
Working-wise, I don't know.
Are you at all concerned that you don't have a specific focus?
Right now?
Yeah.
No, I'm all over the place. I'm always looking for new opportunities. It's not just one thing. I'm not going to focus directly on one.
I just want to encourage you to have some kind of a vision because, like I said, you're just like driving in the fog and you can't see where you're going. So even if the opportunities come up, if you don't have some kind of focus, you're going to miss them. They're going to be lost in the fog. Does that make sense at all?
It does, but I don't know. The way I look at it is there's thousands of opportunities, but the path that I'm going on is I want to be successful.
How would you complete this sentence? I am successful when?
I feel successful when I don't even know.
Greg has been living in a chaotic environment that's not in line with his goals. Even if the opportunities come up, if you don't have some kind of focus, you're going to miss them. They're going to be lost in the fog. Does that make sense at all?
It does, but I don't know.
He blames lack of time for his clutter, but one of the keys to success is time management, and that's what we're learning today. Greg's bedroom doesn't say successful entrepreneur, it says frat boy, and that's gotta change. Every surface is covered in clutter, starting with his dresser. He's got colognes and business cards and loose change. That won't work. The closet is jam-packed with sporting equipment, and this filing cabinet doesn't belong in a bedroom. I'm gonna give him a fresh start. So I'm gonna bring in the bed, pop it right there, a night table beside, a dresser across from the bed. Now, there's a bedroom a busy guy like Greg can relax and unwind in. Good morning.
How you doing?
Good. How are you today, Greg?
Good morning.
You ready for another day? The goal for today is to empty out Greg's bedroom. By the end of the day, that room is cleared. I can see that things are really piling up here. I also notice with your different colognes over here, it looks really messy, but it's something that you need access to all the time. Yep. Trays are a great way to neatly contain everyday items. You know, a question I ask a lot of my clients when I do the life coaching is, how do you define success?
I don't even know. I couldn't say right now. I don't know.
How would you complete this sentence? I am successful when?
I don't know. I feel successful when I don't even know.
Greg may not have the answers yet, but once his room is clear, I bet his vision will be too. Greg's stuff was doing nothing but collecting dust. Once gone, we'll streamline his room and start building his foundation for success. Well, Greg, I just want you to see what your room looks like.
It's bigger than I thought.
Really?
It ties into everything else. If my room is cluttered, my work will be cluttered. Whatever I do will be the same way. So it reduces your focus on what you're trying to do. So I can see what she means, how it clouds your vision.
With the clutter out of the way, Greg's vision is clear, and he's ready to learn some of those organizing basics, starting with filing. I know you were keeping this filing cabinet in your bedroom, but the problem is that really it should be in an office. What I want to do is I want to show you the proper way to set up a filing cabinet.
Okay.
I put these tabs on. You didn't have any tabs on at all. And what you want to do is put the tab on the front. The nice thing about having it in the front is when you open it and put your item in, it actually goes in the hanging folder. But if you have your tab at the back and you open it, it'll go in that abyss at the back and you'll lose your papers. What about this?
That business stuff.
Okay, now this pertains to sales tax.
Yeah.
So we're going to have a business category and we're going to have a tax file in there. I'm just going to print now a label for your business category. There we go. Slide it into your tab, just like that. And that's your business category, and within that category, anything that pertains to business will go in a labeled file folder. Like I've labeled this one taxes. Time management is next. I've enlarged a weekly schedule so I can show Greg how to find more time. We've already blocked off the times that you're spending at work. That's the green. And we've also blocked the time you spend in school with the blue here. So let's have a look now and see where we could put some things like business reading or making calls to contacts that would further your career, that kind of thing.
I know I have to call here if I'm calling people up to work.
3 to 4?
Let's say so, yeah.
Yeah, okay. If you block time for important things, you'll always have enough time for all the things you want to do. Look, we got a lot of blank spaces still.
Yeah?
That's how you get time to work for you. Well, you guys were great through this whole purge. I'll take the keys now. You've done your hard work. Leave the rest up to me. Okay?
Thanks, Helen.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Helen. Take
See you
care.
later. Now that both rooms are empty, prep work can begin. The closets need repairing and the walls freshening up with a coat of serene green.
Holy smokes.
Come on in.
Look at this.
Greg thought he couldn't get organized because of his on-the-go lifestyle. But his clutter was preventing him from clearly seeing his goals. With the clutter out of the way, it'll be smooth sailing to success.
I don't even know what to expect. I just can't wait to see. I want to see what's happening.
Hey, Greg.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Ready to see what happened this weekend?
Are you excited?
I am.
Okay, well, I'm dying to show you. You've waited this long. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, check out your new bedroom.
Holy smokes. This is better than I expected.
Is it?
Yeah. This is nice. So what do we got here?
So let me show you. So you've got your laundry basket here.
Yep.
Pants down here. Shirts.
Beautiful.
Now, remember over here you had your filing cabinet? And we talked about how files don't belong in the bedroom,
Yeah.
right? So instead, these are books that you would read for pleasure. It's not homework books.
Yeah.
And this is a little place for coins so that when you come in, you empty your pockets.
Mm-hmm.
There's a place for it.
Okay.
Because it's in the dish, it's not cluttery.
Much nicer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, over here, you've got your t-shirts. Did you fold these?
Some of them.
And on this side, shirts.
Shirts, okay.
I wanted to get a place for your cologne so that when you empty your pockets, you've got a place for your cell phone, a place for your watch, and you can also keep your cologne at easy access, but contained.
Yeah.
Before, clutter covered every surface. Now the bedroom is streamlined and soothing. So you want to see the next room?
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Holy smokes. Look at this. Beautiful.
Wow.
Very nice. You can move around in here. I don't have to jump over things.
You've got your wonderful desk. You want to try it out? Come.
Let's
Let me show you how this works. Back up a little bit. Okay, so this actually pops up. So you've got everything you need for your computer right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you don't want to use it, it just pops out of the way.
What do you call this
like
one here?
that. Over here's your filing cabinet. Remember we put this together the other day? So you've got all your business, your personal, and your school.
Mm-hmm.
And then you've got your file folders behind that. I've put all your school books and reference books here.
Okay.
You also have a place for your office supplies, and I recommend that you keep a few extra supplies on hand. Before, the office was jam-packed with junk. Now it's a work zone made for success. Do you want to call your mom in?
I'll give her a call, yeah. Mom?
He's closing the door, that's cute. Surprise!
Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's amazing.
Thank you for having the courage to call me. Enjoy it.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thanks, Helen, for
My
everything.
pleasure.
It's been a great experience. I've got a lot of systems now I can use for the rest of my life. I got a place to put everything, so I'll enjoy spending time in my room now. And I can even use the office, so it's perfect.